Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Google phone sound and vibration setting guys. Friends, you want to use guys your Google phone guys phone sound and vibration sounds of how to use today friends. I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see. Today guys we will talk about guys Google phone guys phone lock screen sound guys, how to use. Friends, you want to use guys your Google phone guys lock screen sound guys. What is lock screen sound and how to use in Google phone device today friends? We will talk about open your phone setting. After on phone setting on guys phone searchable and guys we will search a phone screen lock sound guys. We will search here guys screen lock sound. Friends, you can see guys your screen locking sound guys. Second option guys we will tap here. Friends, you can see screen lock sound guys. But screen lock sound guys, first of all guys we will on from here. After on guys how to use guys Google phone guys phone screen lock sound. So guys come back. Friends, you can see when we will lock our phone and guys when you will unlock your phone. So sorry friends, first of all guys we will have to set guys swipe lock and in pattern, then guys we can use it. So wait guys here, we will have to set guys any pattern guys. So I will tap here guys. So when we will click on the security and privacy, and friends you can see guys set screen lock guys, swipe option guys, we will tap here. Friends, now guys we can use guys the screen lock sound. So guys when you will lock your phone and guys when you will unlock your phone guys, so guys you can use screen lock sound and screen unlock sound from here in your Google phone device. And friends, you don't want to use guys, click on phone sound and vibration, and friends scroll it. Friends, screen locking sound guys you can off from here. So guys this sound will not work when you will lock your phone. When you will unlock your phone, this sound will not work. So like that guys we can on and off screen lock sound. And friends, you want to use, so guys you can on and you can use from here. You don't want to use, you can off from here. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.